Let's talk about workflow.
So this is part of the XCP Designer package, and specifically our process builder. This is where you go to actually create your business processes, to wire them up graphically with these transitions. And you can see here we're actually modifying this business process by dragging and dropping a palette of pre-configured activity templates into the display. So the nice thing is we can involve humans in the loop, these little boxes with green, or we can have automated processes interacting as well. So once we get the wiring right and we put this in place, and in this case, this is a payer claims processing application, we're going to be adding in an explanation of benefits generation task. So to send a letter to the applicant saying they've been approved for that medical expense or they've been denied. And we're going to use our document sciences expression tool to do that. And all we simply do is select what format we want that explanation rendered in this case PDF. And we have to do a mapping between our existing data on this particular applicant's information and map it onto the web service that's being called for expression. So to do that, for example, the first name maps to the F name, the last name to the L name. So again, you're not doing any coding, but you do need an understanding of the data that exists on the case file and the data that exists on the web service you're calling. And it's as simple as that. You do the wiring of the metadata you want mapped over, and then you check back in this process and it's instantly live. Anybody interacting with the system now will automatically get an explanation of benefits generated for their payer claim. So we've done that change, we've done it graphically without code, and it's done within the XCP environment. This is our business activity monitoring dashboards. You can see here all kinds of trends around activities in your business process management suite, how things are performing. You can see we have very interactive flex-based pie charts that you can interact with. Lots of exciting stuff, different ways, different roles in your company can see the information that's flowing through your system. So, and again, you may want to see different regions. You may want to see, for example, in this case, we're looking at a healthcare payer claims processing application. So where are these exceptions coming from? So for example, in December, we had 20 human operators that had to get involved in different cases. What did that cost the company? We can see the overall cost here. What are the trends on a weekly basis? We can see the trend there.
Let's take a moment and talk about workflow evaluation tips. First of all, before you get into workflow technologies, the process that you're automating, does it need to be cleaned up and improved before layering workflow technology on top? Secondly, what's the design level? High-level queuing or detailed step-by-step workflow management? Next, are you going to be developing an application within workflow or linking it to an existing data application? And what type of measurements would you like incorporated into the workflow process? Next, what kind of point-and-click design tool does it have? Routing options, sequential or parallel? Task types in terms of jobs or worker assignment? And what type of reporting does it have? And of course, all this and other requirements should be detailed in a detailed application design document.